Have you been a good boy? You have? You have, haven't you? Okay. Go to sleep, baby. You're such a good boy. Go to sleep, baby. You've been such a good boy. Daddy loves you so much. Go to sleep, baby. Daddy loves you when you're such a good boy. Daddy loves it when you're a good boy. You know that? And you're such a good boy. So go to sleep now, okay? Go to sleep. Daddy's right here. Right here. Daddy's going to hold his good boy until he goes to sleep. Daddy's going to hold his good boy until he goes to sleep. You know why? Because you've been such a good boy. Oh yeah, you've been such a good boy, baby. Daddy is so proud of you. Daddy is proud of you. I'm so happy that you're my boy. I'm so happy that you've been a good boy. You've been a good boy, right? Right? Of course you've been a good boy. You're always a good boy. No? Oh, but you won't tell me. Okay, it's okay. Because I know you're a good boy. Most of the time, you're a really good boy. You're so sweet, baby boy. You're so sweet and you're so kind and you're so loving. You're a sweet baby boy. Yes, you are. Go to sleep, baby. Go to sleep, my good boy. Such a perfect boy. You're such a perfect boy. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep, baby. You've been a very good boy today. Get some rest, baby. Get some rest. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep, my good boy. Daddy's perfect little boy. Are you Daddy's perfect little boy? Yeah, you're Daddy's perfect little boy. You're Daddy's perfect boy. You know that? Daddy loves you so much. Oh, a whole lot. Yeah, Daddy loves you a whole lot, baby. Yeah. You're such a good boy. Go to sleep now. You're such a good boy. Such a good boy. Yeah. Daddy's getting sleepy with you. We'll probably fall asleep together. I like sleeping with my good boy. Such a good boy. Go to sleep. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep. Such a good boy. Go to sleep. I love my good boy. I love you so much. Go to sleep. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. You're always a good boy. You're Daddy's good boy. You're always a good boy. Yeah. I love my good boy. Go to sleep. You're a good boy, baby. A good, very good boy. Good night. So there's finally a place for your kind. And mine. Finally, a very special place for ASMR that goes deep so that you can feel those tingles. You become a member. Dragon Moon TV.